Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So in just the particular series of computer vision lectures, it is histogram equalization lecture 4 for part 4, and multiple lectures we have already discussed in the computer vision fundamentals. So here we are going to do one practice question that how to calculate the histogram equalization, right? So for example, if this is a problem that perform the histogram equalization for the following image. So you know that this is 5 by 5 image and these are the intensity level. Minimum intensity is 0, maximum is 7. So it is grayscale image of add bit depth. So step 1 is calculate the frequency of each intensity level. Step number 2 is calculate the PMF. Step 3, calculate CDF. Step 4, multiply it with L minus 1, and then just step number 5 is do the calculation of equalization level. So if you will see here, how many times 0 is appearing? One time, two times. So the frequency of 0 is 2. Similarly, frequency of 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 times. So 1 is appearing 4 times. Similarly, the frequency of 2 is 3. Frequency of intensity level is 3, 4 is 2, 5 is 4, and 6 is 3, and 7 is 4. It means that, for example, if I talk about this 7, means 7 is appearing. It means that the 7 is appearing 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 7 is appearing 4 times. That is frequency of that intensity level, right? So once we calculate the frequency of that intensity level, come to step 2, PMF, probability mass function. Divide total number of pixels. So what if you are going to just sum it? Total number of pixels are 25. Total number of pixels are what? 25. Already given to us, right? So if you are going to add all this also, you will get 25. So frequency of each intensity level divided by total number of pixels. So intensity level of 0 is the frequency of intensity level 0 is 2. Divide 2 by total number of pixels. This is the PMF value of 0. Similarly, the PMF value of 1 is divide 4 with total number of pixels, because 4 is the frequency of 1 intensity level. So 0.16. Similarly, for all this intensity level, these are the PMF values. So PMF values are nothing but just total number of times they are occurring. So let's say 5. Total number of times intensity level 5 is occurring is 4. So divide it with total number of pixels. So this is what PMF. Come to step 3. CDF, cumulative distributive function, cumulative distribution function. Keep the first value as it is. Keep the first value as it is. No change. 0.08 as it is. No change at all. But from here onward, what we have to do from the second value onward, keep adding the previous value to it. So previous value is 0.08. When you will add it to 0.16, answer is 0.24. That is the cumulative distributive sum of intensity level 1. What would be the CDF value for intensity level 2? Keep adding the previous CDF value to it. So 0.24 plus 0.12, 0.36. Again, what is the CDF value for intensity level 3? Keep adding the previous value to it. 0.48. Keep adding this to the current one. 0.56. Keep adding to the current one. 0.72. Keep adding to the current one. 0.84. And for the last level, 0.84 plus 0.161. 1 is the CDF value for this intensity level 7. Getting it? Right. Now the step number 4. Step number 4. Now whatever CDF value we are having, we have to multiply with L minus 1. Total number of levels are 8. So L minus 1 will be 7. Means I have to multiply 0.08 with 7. Answer is 0.56. I have to multiply 0.24 with 7. Answer is 1.68. I have to multiply 0.36 with 7. Answer is 2.52. I have to multiply 0.48 with 7. Answer is 3.36. I have to multiply 0.56 with 7. Answer is 3.92. I have to multiply 0.72 with 7. Answer is 5.04. I have to multiply 0.84 with 7. Answer is 5.88. I have to multiply 1 with L minus 1, 7. Answer is 7. These are the, you can say that Sk into L minus 1 value. Now, based on these values, it is nearby to 1. Give it, assign it intensity level 1. 1.6 it closer to 2. It's just like we are just doing the, you can say that the whatever is the near closer value to it, right? So just like seal value operation, right? 2.523, 3.36, 3.36. So floor value. What is the floor value of 3.36? Means whatever is the closer. So 3.36. If it is 3.5, above than 3.5, assign it 4. If it is bottom, then that assign 3, right? So 3.36 intensity level 3, 3.924, 5.045, 5.886, 7 is 7 itself. These are the histogram equalization level 2. Fine. So this you have to know. So for example, if I talk about the intensity level 0, right, and this all these things, then these are the frequencies here. These are the frequencies here, right? So intensity level 0, we are having 2 here. Now these are the histogram equalization level that we got. So based on that, you can say that for intensity level 0, we are having 0 pixels, because nothing is 0. No one is 0 here. So the new level, new intensity level 0, total frequency is 0. For intensity level 1, total, for intensity level 1, 1 is only here. So total is 2. So you can assign it like this, right? For 1 it is 2, right? So for intensity level 1, it is 2. So you can see here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is here. So for intensity level 0, now 0 number of frequency is there. For intensity level 1, only intensity level 1 is here. So that is what? 2. For intensity level 2, 2 is here only. So total number of frequency is 4. For intensity level 3, 3 here also, here also. It means that 3 plus 3, that is 6. For intensity level 4, 4 is only here, that is 2. For intensity level 5, 5 it only here, so 4. For intensity level 6, 6 is only here, that is 3. And for intensity level 7, 7 is only here, that is 4. So this particular data is about the new frequency according to the histogram equalization level, right? So that you need to know. I hope this particular problem is clear to you all, right? If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Stay tuned and continuously watch us so that you can get more knowledgeful sessions from us. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice